What is BalcoNano?
Advanced Glass Protection Coating. BalcoNano is an advanced, eco-friendly, self-cleaning protective coating inspired by the lotus leaf self-cleaning technology. We've created a unique and very durable coating that transforms the surface of glass from a hydrophilic, that's water attracting, into a hydrophobic, water repelling surface.
What is self-cleaning glass?
BalcoNano reduces the cleaning cycle by about 90%. Our special formulated BalcoNano is perfect for home or professional use. What isn't clear to most, when viewed under a microscope, glass reveals its uneven peaks and valleys, and once water has evaporated from the glass's surface, the mineral deposits it contained, such as dust, grime, salt and heavy metals, are left behind, and over time the surface will become opaque, dirtier and hard to clean. It's eco-friendly and eliminates the use of harsh chemical cleaners.